Here in Burton, Michigan, Martin's Tire and Service proves that Autel tools aren't just equipment, they're the key to building a stronger business.
We currently use the Autel IA900 as our frame and absolutely love it. It's easy to use, quick to set up. Wheel alignments, we also do ADAS calibrations. We are a full service ADAS calibration center. Kind of eliminates the old school having to get on the floor and measure things out. So it's a pretty good ROI creator. If you want to make more money faster, buy Autel.
The main one that I love the best is the Autel IA900. Awesome piece of equipment. Not only does it make our alignments a lot quicker than our other machines that we've used in the past, but the capability to be able to calibrate ADAS has opened up a whole new revenue stream for us at the shop.
The Autel offers really good support. Every time I've ever had an issue, I make a phone call and within 10 minutes, I'm back on the road. Something that I really like about it is the fact that they don't just put something off when I have a problem. They get it taken care of immediately.
If you want your technicians to see that you're trying to make their life easier, buy Autel.